Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do so you don't miss out on our weekly delicious, quick and easy recipes. Your support means the world to me. Today I've got a super quick and easy recipe for you all. Beet juice. Yes, you heard that right. Fresh, vibrant, and oh so good for you beet juice in just 3 minutes. Let's dive right in. First up, here's what you're going to need. 2 medium-sized beets, peeled and chopped. 1 apple, cored and sliced. 1 carrot, peeled and chopped. 1 lemon, juiced. A small piece of ginger, about 1 inch, peeled. And half a cup of water, simple, right? Now let's get blending. Step 1. Take your peeled and chopped beets and toss them into your blender. Beets are packed with nutrients, and they give the juice that gorgeous, rich color. Next, add in your apple slices. Apples add a nice sweetness to the juice, balancing out the earthiness of the beets. Now, toss in your carrot pieces. Carrots are great for adding a bit of extra sweetness and a whole lot of vitamins. Time for the zing. Add that small piece of ginger. Ginger gives the juice a nice kick and has amazing anti-inflammatory properties. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. This adds a refreshing citrusy flavor and helps with the absorption of nutrients. Finally, pour in half a cup of water to help everything blend smoothly. Now, secure the lid on your blender and blend until it's nice and smooth. You might need to stop and scrape down the sides a couple of times to make sure everything gets blended. And voila! Pour your fresh beet juice into a glass, and you're ready to enjoy. Look at that beautiful color. So vibrant and inviting. Give it a taste. It's sweet, zesty, and has just the right amount of kick from the ginger. Not only is this juice delicious, but it's also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Perfect for a healthy boost any time of the day. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you give this easy beet juice recipe a try. If you do, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe for more fun and easy recipes. Until next time, happy juicing.